Hello guys, in this video we will talk about modern living room vintage decoration designs ideas. The living room is arguably the most important room in the house. When it comes to decorating, it is the room where you entertain your guests and your loved one, and it is your family's turn to speak the bulk of their at-home time together. After the kitchen decorating, your room should reflect you and your family. Don't let anyone else tell you how you should or should not decorate. It is your home and it's need to right for you. There are some basic rule and the mathematics of decorating. These rules are like a guide you to you create a space that is playing to eyes. If you want to make sure your living room great, then you should take a look at these living room dust and design. You do not want to choose your most expensive or favorite items and decorate around it. For many people, that item might be the sofa. So buy the best quality sofa you can afford, as a sofa is a big investment and you want it to last. Remember, a sofa or average quality should last at least 10 years, while a high-end sofa should last up to 25. One of the latest important item to figure out at the beginning of room decoration is paint. Color paint is available in thousands of colors and can be easily changed. In most cases, it should be one of the last things you decide on. Also, as one of the most interesting room of the house, you should not be afraid to mix high ticket items with some low. There are a lot of great way to save a decor. For some odd reason, the goal to furniture floor plan is to push all the furniture against the walls. I hope you guys will like this video and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members.